Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. AI-powered YouTube channel ideas, 24/7 money-making machines. Welcome to the exciting world of AI-powered YouTube channel ideas that can generate continuous revenue. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create content that not only entertains but also fills your pockets. From automated video creation to personalized content recommendations, the possibilities are endless. Picture a channel that curates trending topics in real time or one that analyzes viewer preferences to deliver exactly what they crave. By leveraging AI, you can unlock financial success on YouTube while keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Let's dive into these innovative concepts and see how they can transform your channel. Understanding AI in content creation. AI is revolutionizing content creation for YouTube channels, making it easier and more efficient than ever. With tools like Adobe Premiere Pro's AI features and platforms like Lumen 5 for script generation, creators can streamline video editing and content planning. AI can also analyze trending topics and viewer engagement metrics, helping you optimize your content strategy for maximum impact. By understanding what resonates with your audience, you can tailor your videos to their preferences. Additionally, AI enhances viewer experiences through personalized recommendations, ensuring that your content reaches the right people at the right time. Embrace AI and watch your channel thrive. Niche selection. Finding your AI-powered focus. Selecting a profitable niche for your AI-driven YouTube channel is crucial for success. Start by researching trending topics and audience interests to identify what's hot right now. Tools like Google Trends and social media insights can guide you in this process. Next, think about combining your personal passions with AI capabilities to create unique content that stands out. This fusion not only keeps you motivated but also attracts a dedicated audience. Remember, niche specificity is key for targeted growth. The more focused your content, the easier it is to build a loyal community and drive engagement. Happy niche hunting. Automated content ideas, 24/7 revenue streams. Imagine generating income around the clock with automated content ideas. Channels like Daily News AI and AI-generated music showcase how AI can create engaging videos without constant human input. To set up systems for continuous video production, consider using AI tools like Pictory or Synthesia, which can automate video creation based on scripts or templates. Once your automated channel is up and running, explore monetization strategies such as ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. By leveraging AI, you can create a self-sustaining channel that works for you, even while you sleep. Start your automated journey today. Engaging your audience with AI insights. Understanding and engaging with your audience has never been easier thanks to AI. Tools like Google Analytics and TubeBuddy provide valuable insights into viewer behavior and preferences, helping you tailor your content effectively. Use these analytics to identify what resonates with your audience and create interactive content, such as polls or Q&A sessions, based on their feedback. This not only boosts engagement but also fosters a sense of community. By leveraging AI-driven insights, you can build stronger connections with your viewers, ensuring they feel valued and heard. Embrace these strategies to elevate your channel and keep your audience coming back for more. Marketing your AI-powered channel. Effectively marketing your AI-powered YouTube channel is essential for growth and visibility. Start by leveraging social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to promote your content and engage with your audience. Incorporate SEO strategies by using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve searchability. Collaborating with other creators can also expand your reach, allowing you to tap into new audiences and share ideas. Additionally, maintaining consistent branding and messaging across all platforms helps establish your identity and builds trust with viewers. By implementing these strategies, you can successfully market your channel and attract a loyal following. Scaling your channel with AI. To achieve greater success with your AI-driven YouTube channel, consider diversifying your content formats and platforms. Experiment with short videos, live streams, or podcasts to reach different audience segments. Reinvesting in advanced AI tools can significantly enhance your production quality, making your content more appealing and professional. Additionally, staying adaptable to changing trends and technologies is crucial. Regularly assess what's popular and adjust your strategies accordingly. By embracing innovation and flexibility, you can scale your channel effectively, attract a broader audience, and ultimately increase your revenue potential. The future of your channel is bright with the right approach. Conclusion. In this video, we explored innovative AI-powered channel ideas that hold incredible revenue potential, from automated content creation to personalized viewer experiences. We emphasized the importance of taking action and experimenting with various AI tools to enhance your content and engagement. Remember, the key to success lies in finding your niche, understanding your audience, and adapting to trends. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow creators. Your engagement helps us bring you more tips and strategies to thrive in the ever-evolving world of YouTube. Let's grow together. Welcome back to Tech Talk AI. Let's get started. AI-powered YouTube channel ideas, 24/7 money-making machines. Welcome to the exciting world of AI-powered YouTube channel